Welcome to a new video with Mr. Math. Today's topic is finding the area of a circle. Let's take a look at our problem today. A state seal, which is round, hangs in the Capitol building. It has a radius of 2 yards. What is the seal's area? All right. So we have this nice state seal here. And the radius is 2 yards. So we know we got to find the area of a circle by saying pi times its radius squared. It says use 3.14, so we'll do that. The radius is 2, so we'll need to square that. That's going to give us 4. So we'll multiply that, and we get 12.56, and that's going to be in yards squared. So, what is the seal's area? The seal's area is 12.56 square yards. Thanks for watching today, and hope the video was helpful for you. As always, we will see you next time.